Video 655, Bombs for Josh, Part 5, HEXABAF. The source code snapshot is here. We're going to review the 655 deltas. Let's get going. Anything that has a 655 in the margin, that's what we're looking at. In the system index, we have added HEXABAF, which is chronologically system 46. In dependency order, it is system number 4. In const macros by system, we've added the HEXABAF section for constants and added this hotel 13 HEXABAF section. Everything in this section was stolen from hotel13.js and slightly refactored. We have a little key here that you can read, so pause here to read that. And then down here, we have all of the different colors that are used for both the bombs and the flames of the explosions that come off of those bombs. The first value is 0 because tile value 0 is nothingness. And then these are the spark pin colors. These are the laser box colors. These are the tendril bomb colors, or the Jax bomb colors. These are the box bomb or echo bomb colors. And then let's go down to the data section. So in data by system, we have the HEXABAF top level data section. So it only is going to exist in the not Node.js environment, the client side environment. And we have a lookup table here. So D for data, HEXABAF is the namespace, and we're going to convert a v16 tile value to a hex color. So it's a uint32 array, and we're just putting all of those constants in serial number order, right? So just from 0 all the way down to 15, right? Because there are 15 tile values, and therefore we need 15 different colors. So these are going to be the 15 different colors for the FATA tiles and the 15 different colors for the bomb tiles. So these colors are going to be used for both. Okay, next section. So this is the HEXABAF functions. There's nothing in here. I don't think there ever will be anything in here, but the design of my code base requires that I have this section for consistency. Here's what we did in the previous video. Here's our footnotes and stuff, and then here's what we did in this video, and this is what we're going to do next. This is what we did in this video. Like and subscribe. Send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I am out of time. Like and subscribe.